Commitment is heart, which is blood supplier for any business. A business needs this commitment to the products and services it provides, the people work with it, its customers, its culture, its brand and individuals. How does the commitment that emerges from different people come together little by little to make a business win big? While this is well known, the big question is what motivates this commitment to participate in a business, from employer to supplier. Because commitment is something to be worked with heart. The Commitment Engine, written by John Jansch, tell you what you need to understand clearly if you want everyone to make their contribution to a business. The author begins that in order to bring commitment into life, one must first be clear. It is essential for the business to know the technique of how to bring clarity in a chaotic business environment and how to create and nurture commitment in every individual action and interaction that takes place in the business. The author says that just as a small seed is planted, the plant is maintained and nurtured for a long time, and same should have been for commitment to get the tree is fruitful. It is not enough just that everyone wants to do all the work with commitment. It is not enough that you are the only one in the business with commitment. Your ideas, your values, the products you produce, your services, the way you conduct your business, and the way the business is run, and the environment all have to be much optimized to make your commitment to everyone. I do business with a loan of mortgage on my house. So I have a lot of commitment. I have seen a lot of people to say this, they have no choice but to commit because they put the house on mortgage. The author says that for many of these types of people, that commitment only helps them get out of bed in the morning, but on the other hand, it often does not help. Businesses that are actually made with high commitment spread those waves of commitment and cultivate the loyalty of everyone involved in that industry. This book explains the nature of commitment, whether you have a commitment, or whether you can create it, and how businesses with consistent commitment make every move clear and successful. The author says the new meaning is that what is going normally in business is not going well. Normal means that the problem is too much and does not fit together. Normal is a tent of problems. The business that is best run with commitment is the highest level of business. Every operation in every business should be clearly researched, and this requires three important things. One is clarity, two is civilized culture, and the third is society. The author simply explains that commitment is rooted in the clear course of every activity of the business, the creation of a good culture for its size, and the planning of all things for the benefit of the society, not only the customer but also the workers, suppliers, advisors and competitors. A must-read book for entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs who are looking to succeed in business and managers in career decision-making positions.